Okay, okay guys, so after you finish polishing your piece, it looks nice, right? After you get it really nice, like depending how long it takes, it's really nice and shiny. You don't want to touch it anymore. You just want to get ready. You're ready for it to go, like, to the customer, right? Nah, not yet. We gotta rough up that area that we polished in between the letters. And trick of the trade, a little burr, regular drill burr. I mean a drill bit, sorry, a drill bit. The regular one that you use actually to drill the letters to cut them out. Just throw that on your flex shaft handpiece, on your Fordham handpiece, and just in between the letters real smoothly, back and forth. It gives a different finish, so you're gonna have to do a whole new finish throughout the whole bracelet. Take your time. Make sure you do an even coating. Make it look nice. I know you guys probably don't want to see this whole step. I'm just gonna do all of the bracelet like that, okay? So you guys do the same. So after doing all of that, with the drill bit, it should look like this. No more shiny spots between the letters. Next step, diamond cutting. Final process. After diamond cutting, just take it and give it one last little buff, very lightly, throughout the whole bracelet. And then you're good. Put it in the ultrasonic, steam it, send it out to the customer. So let me get the diamond cutting set up. Alright guys, the last and final part, diamond cutting. The flywheel, diamond flywheel. This piece right here and the holder, this is sold separately. Fordham number 35 also. The diamond flywheel number is, let me see, where the heck is it? Everything has a number. This is 130. Diamond flywheel 130. Why is it called a diamond flywheel? Because as it spins and it hits the metal, it leaves a shiny little chip. And while you're diamond cutting it, little shiny particles fly at you as it spins, and they look like diamonds coming at you. I'm just kidding. It's a diamond flywheel because it has a little diamond right there. A little piece of diamond right there that's hard enough to chip at soft metals and leave a shiny decorative design on it. So we're gonna get that done, finish this up. After this, like I said earlier, just give it an overall shine on the bracelet. Get in between the links. Oh, sorry, I don't know if you can see. Get in between the links as you're buffing. Just a real quick shine, just all over, you know what I mean? And you'll be done. So here we go. Hope you guys can see, because I'm about to finish this up. Things that about the diamond flywheel. You step on it as hard and make it go as fast as you can as it chips. Let me see what the camera angle is. Make sure you guys can see. Okay. As it chips. If you hold it straight, it leaves one design. If you angle it up, it leaves another design. Angle it down, it leaves basically the same design as up, just a little different. All right, so here we go. We're gonna do it straight. This is how I hold it, by the way. There's one chip for you. Straight. Here's at an angle. Here's at another angle. Top. hard to control. You can do various designs with this, various designs. Practice makes perfect. Just give it a go, guys. Alright, that's enough messing around. That's all she wrote. I hope you guys found this video educational at the least, entertaining at the most. And like I said, you guys, I mean, comment on the videos. Let me know what I can change, what I should do better. You know, anything. It doesn't matter. Might listen to you, might not. So, you know, give it a try. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at all. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. This is Easy Dinero of Easy Designs. I can make you shine.